A rate cut is on the cards this week. Economists expect the Monetary Policy Committee to lower the repo rate on Thursday. A 25 basis point cut is being eyed, which would take the rate to 7.5% this week. But economists differ on when the next reduction will take place. Nedbank's team foresees 2 additional 25 basis point cuts in 2025, with the second likely to occur in March. Tatonga Rusike from Bank of America Global Research, meanwhile, says none is expected in March, as beyond January, global risks will probably come to the fore. Lewis has posted higher third-quarter merchandise sales. The furniture retailer says a near 10% rise on that end was supported by strong Black Friday sales across all brands. It's also pointed to improving consumer confidence along with strong marketing campaigns. Vlei has also benefited from a successful Black Friday and holiday trading period. The retail-focused landlord says its South African and Iberian retail property portfolios delivered impressive performances in November and December. Locally, it's posted a 6% growth in trading density. Vlei says the trading activity within the Iberian portfolio underscores the robust growth outlook for Spain and Portugal, primarily fueled by private consumption. It's added that its trading figures bode well for income and valuation growth. Imbali Platinum signed a green energy deal. The miners inked an agreement with Discovery Green to power its SA refineries with wheeled renewable energy over the next 5 years. The move accelerates Imbala's decarbonization efforts. The power purchase agreement will supply 90% of the miners' refineries' electricity needs from 2026. For the year to end June 2024, renewables accounted for 37% of Implat's total electricity consumption. That's 7% higher than the previous year. In international news, U.S. search engine startup Perplexity AI has submitted an updated proposal to merge with TikTok, while U.S. President Donald Trump says he's talking to multiple players over the fate of the video app and expects to make a decision soon. Here's more in this package report.
TikTok's fate in the US remains up in the air. Reuters sources said that Perplexity AI has submitted a new merger proposal to the video app's Chinese owner, ByteDance. That would create a new entity combining TikTok's US operations with the search engine startup. The proposal calls for the US government to own up to 50% of the new company upon a future share offering. But that's just one of many possibilities that could be in play. Over the weekend, US President Donald Trump told reporters on Air Force One that he was talking to numerous parties.
I've spoken to many people about TikTok, and there's great interest in TikTok. And as you know, I have the right to sell it or close it, depending on what I think is best for the country.
Trump said he would probably make a decision over the next 30 days. Earlier, Reuters reported that the administration is working on a plan to tap Oracle for a deal. The US tech giant already provides the foundation for TikTok's web infrastructure. At an event last week, Trump said he'd be happy to see TikTok sold to Tesla boss Elon Musk or Oracle chief Larry Ellison, who was standing alongside him at the time.
Are you open to Elon buying TikTok?
I would be if he wanted to buy it, yeah.
And on your inauguration,
I'd like Larry to buy it too.
The Reuters sources say the terms of any Oracle deal remain very fluid, and Trump says he hasn't actually spoken to Ellison about it. US billionaire Frank McCourt is another to express an interest.
The bid we put in was for all of US TikTok without the Chinese technology.
Speaking to Reuters at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, he said he could team up with others on a bid and had already been approached with financing offers. TikTok had faced a ban in the US over national security concerns, but has been reprieved by Trump while he decides on a course of action.
And the Nasdaq slumped and technology shares slid as surging popularity of a Chinese discount artificial intelligence model wobbled investors' faith in the profitability of AI and the sector's voracious demand for high-tech chips. Here's more on this.
Technology shares around the world slid on Monday as surging popularity of a Chinese discount artificial intelligence model ruffled feathers. Startup DeepSeek has rolled out a free assistant it says uses lower-cost chips and less data. That seemingly challenges a widespread bet in financial markets that AI will drive demand along a supply chain from chip makers to data centers. Shares in Nvidia supplier Advantest fell 8.5% in Tokyo, while those of Tesla, Amazon and Meta fell more than 2% in early European trading. Joachim Clement is a strategist at Panmure Liberum.
The capabilities of DeepSeek are well within reach of OpenAI and the other providers of generative AI. But, and that's the crucial but, is can DeepSeek approach or get the same results with lower infrastructure costs, which obviously would be a major negative, not just for NVIDIA, but also for the big cloud computing data center providers like Amazon.
AI-focused startup investor SoftBank Group slid more than 8%, on course for its biggest one-day fall since September, while chip-making equipment giant Tokyo Electron fell 5%. But tech-heavy markets in Taiwan and South Korea were closed. Little is known about the small Hangzhou startup behind DeepSeek, but its assistant leapfrogged rival ChatGPT to become the top-rated free application on Apple's App Store in the US on Monday. DeepSeek researchers wrote in a paper last month that the version 3 model launched on January the 10th used NVIDIA's H800 chips for training, spending less than $6 million. Frankfurt listed shares of NVIDIA slipped about 7% in morning trade. The poster child of AI has seen its stock rise 196% since the start of 2024.